Hey everyone, today is Earth Day, 22nd of April, and today is also Taligaon Protest Day, a protest to save our fields. You can see behind us, and you can see today there's a big group of children, youngsters, youth, as well as the residents who reside here. So today we'll be asking everyone as to what does it mean for them to save Mother Earth. Alright, so we'll start with Talula, and it's going right here.
So I feel that Earth is nothing but we refer to Earth as Mother Earth, so Mother Nature. And just like a mother, we should also take care of nature in a way which is empathetic, sympathetic, loving, caring. So if there is something going wrong, based on the values that we have been raised with, I think we should make a noise, we should speak up, we should do everything in our ability to be able to stop this. Okay, so please continue your passion for environment, join us so that we can celebrate Earth Day every day.
You can see this is Talula right here, who's an architect, and yes, she believes in sustainable development. Thank you, Talula, for the hard work that you do for Taligaon and for all of us. And this is Prakash from the Roster team.
Yes, hi everyone, this is Prakash. Today is the Earth Day, so we are doing protests over here. We do every Thursday. Whenever I get time, I give my time to save our Mother Nature. So this is for us. We should all come out of our house and please voice up for the Mother Nature. You know what is going behind you. You must be knowing about it. So please contribute your time to save our Mother Nature. Thank you.
Thank you, Prakash. And these are our kids. That's Talula's son and my son. Okay, kids, what message you have for everyone? We need to
save our earth. Save nature for me.
save nature for my future. Yes, and if you can see, this is how. Jake, turn it the other side. The destruction, what we are doing right now. This is how what we are doing, and what you need the earth to be.
This.
Earth Day, green trees, and these are the youngsters. Save our fields. A message for everyone.
On this occasion of Earth Day, I think we have to come together and stand as one, because there's no planet B. This is our only hope. This is our only home. So let's come together and do something for planet Earth.
Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन. सो नेचर हमारी मम्मी की तरह है, तो प्लीज़ जैसे मम्मी से आप लव करते हैं वैसा नेचर से भी लव करें, उनकी केयर करें एंड सबको प्यार दें. एंड नेचर, प्लीज़ सेव द नेचर. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself Basirul Sheikh. I am from Kalangot actually, and I have come here in Taligaon to protest of a field and all. This is the condition of a field, you can see right here. And second thing, today is a Earth Day. So the only thing I want to request to all Goikar and all everyone, okay, actually, that don't throw garbage and all here and there, okay. And yeah, thank you. Okay, do support us.
Yes. Shed Korina Kapad, Deu Boxisana.
Hello everyone, this is a human talking to other human to save the fields, because you are not going to eat concrete, you are going to eat vegetables. So please save the fields for our future.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ritesh and I am from Porvorim. We are here to protest to save our fields. Today is Earth Day and all the youth should come out and save the fields. कित्याक जर आमी शेतूच वाचोवचे ना जाल्यार खातले कितें? बिल्डिंगींनी रावूं येता पण खावूं येना.
Very true, very true.
माझें नाव निखिल हडणकर आणि हांव तालिगांव रावपी. आमी जशें की पयला लास्ट 5 वर्सां खातीर तुमी जशें फाटल्यान पळोवंक शकता जी कॉन्क्रिटायजेशन जाल्लें आसा, हे जे आतां करंट पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम आसा तेंच्यांनी हें केल्लें आसा सगळे कडेन. सो आमी मागता कितें, सुरवात हांगासल्यान जाता की फील्ड पयलीं पुरयता. फील्ड पुरयल्या उपरांत ते बिल्डींग बांदता, आनी मागीर जी आमची नॅचरल जी ड्रेनेज सिस्टम आहा ती फूल डिस्ट्रॉय केल्ली आसा तालिगांवची. तालिगांव वॉज सच अ ब्युटिफूल प्लेस. एक फार्मींग विलेज आशिल्ली ती आयज कन्वर्ट करून टोटल एक कॉन्क्रीट जंगल केल्लें आसा. सो आमी मागता लोकां कडेन आनी तालिगांवच्या लोकां कडेन की तेंच्यांनी फुडें येवचें आनी हे आमचे फील्ड वाचोवचे. आनी आयज वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे आसा म्हणून आमी सगळे हांगा खूब नंबरान जमिल्ले आसा. एटलिस्ट ह्या दिसा आमी एकदां परत आमचे याद करुया की हो जो अर्थ आसा हो आमी आमच्या फुडल्या पिढी खातीर वाचोवपाक जाय आनी ताका लागून हो टायम आसा आतां भायर सरपाक जाय. तुमी जशें की पळोवंक शकता आमी कितके सगळे यूथ हांगा आयज जमिल्ले आसा आमचे अर्थ वाटोवपाक. थँक्यू.
Thank you, Nectar.
आयज वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे. सो आयज इतलें सांगपाक सोदता की आमी आमचे सरावंडिंग्स आनी नेचर समज आयज हेजी कॅर घेवंक ना जाल्यार आमच्या फ्युचराकूच म्हणजे आमकांच फुडें त्रास जातलो आनी आमच्या फुडल्या पिढेकूय त्रास जातलो. सो इतलेंच सांगपाक सोदता की सरावंडींग आनी नेचराची कॅर करात आनी प्रिजर्व करात फुडल्या हेच्या खातीर.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
आयज वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे. आमी सगळे लोक झगडटा, हें करता तें करता, बिल्डिंगे बांदता. हो आमकां आतां खूब इम्पॉर्टंट. वर्ल्ड अर्थ आसा वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आतां तुमकां जर झगडपाकूच फील्ड ना जाल्यार तुमी झगडटले खंयसर. आनी म्हाका अशें दिसता की ऑक्सिजनाक लागून आनी खावपाक लागून आमकां वर्ल्ड कन्जर्व करूंकूच जाय. नाजाल्यार आमी मागीर फुडल्या जनरेशन खूब त्रासान पडटले.
Very true. Very true.
हांव इतलेंच सांगपाक सोदता की आयज अर्थ डे आनी आमकां आमचो नेचर सेव करपाक जाय. आनी जर आमकां बेटर फ्युचर जाय, आमकां बेटरमेंट ऑफ द फ्युचर, वी शूड सेव आवर नेचर एंड सेव आवर मदर अर्थ.
Thank you very much.
On Earth Day, it's a time, among other things, to reinforce our demand to save fields from being filled with all kinds of garbage and generally filled. That really affects. That really causes climate change. Fields are the lungs of our village, and if they get choked, the village will not be able to breathe. आमची शेतां आमचे गांवची पुलमांव आनी जर ती ब्लॉक जाता जाल्यार ते आमकां ब्रीथ करूंक जावचें ना. आमकां ब्रीथ करूंक जावचें ना.
Anyway, we are going live, Albertina, but this is what you've spoken from your heart, and this is, I think, so that's why we've all come together for a right cause. And today being Earth Day, you can see everyone has been come forward. You can see everyone has been come forward for the same. Everyone is here. Almost 17 of us are here right now with children. So God bless everyone who's making time for this. And to all the youth, you all are not the future, you all are the present. So you have to work hard and fight for what is right and save for the generations to come. Alright? Excellent. So message to everyone is, on Earth Day, plant a tree, take care of your garbage, please don't throw it out, and be like a traffic police for garbage. If you see anyone throwing garbage out, please make sure that you remind that person, you correct that person, and also try and avoid using plastic too often, especially one-time use plastic. Try, even if you have the recycle, if you have a plastic, try to recycle it at least as many times as you can. I know sometimes it might be impossible, but carry a cloth bag, carry a bucket with if you're going to the market so that you can put fish in the bucket so you can avoid plastic. If we want, we can bring about a change. It's up to our hands and up to us whether we want a change and if we want to fight for what is right. And that's why we are here constantly battling out. This particular field, if you can see, the whole fight started on the 23rd of May 2020. I repeat, 23rd of May 2020, where 8 farmers' field was taken in for a panchayat girl. So the panchayat is a place where they are supposed to protect the fields. And when the Gram Sabha is held, they have to listen to the Gram Sabha. If we need to protect the field, the panchayat has to listen to the Gram Sabha. But it doesn't happen here in Talegaon. And if you can see, though, we have the field, we have the beach. You can see what's happening in Siddharth Goa right now. There are cranes coming in, they're digging in, they're putting cement onto the seaside, the sand side area. So it is a constant battle. This development, where it's going to take you and go. We can't eat cement, we can't eat stones, but we need our fish, we need our children to enjoy the beach side, we need people to come down to the field side and start growing like how we and my friends have started Talegaon farming. where everyone comes in together as a community. So Talegaon community farming is what we've started off, and we started having our own vegetables. I mean, it's a proud moment for us. As protesters, we came in, became like a family. We started farming so that we can understand the problem of the farmers also. The ponds are drying out over here because it's constant. The wells, everyone tanker. Everyone's taking waters in tankers and going, so all the low level water is being pulled out. So kindly requesting y'all guys, let's protect Mother Nature, let's protect our areas, let's protect our villages, our cities, let's not get it more concretized. Alright, sustainable development is what we need. So protect Mother Earth, and today's Earth Day. Plant a seed, plant anything that you can, but let it grow. We need oxygen, and this is what we need at present. Alright, so God bless you all, have a good day. Love you all. Bye.